Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Tech the Lore. If you're a content creator using Streamlabs for your live streams, you might have encountered lag issues during your broadcasts. Today, we're going to discuss the top 5 reasons for Streamlabs lag and offer you some solutions to fix it. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, let's discuss the importance of your computer's hardware for running Streamlabs efficiently. Streamlabs is a powerful live streaming software that requires sufficient processing power to ensure smooth and high-quality broadcasts. To achieve this, you need a decent CPU, GPU, and enough RAM. Here's a breakdown of each component and its role. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the heart of your computer, responsible for executing instructions and processing data. Streamlabs requires a capable CPU to handle tasks like encoding video, managing audio, and running the software's various features. A weak CPU may cause lag, dropped frames, and overall poor performance. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is responsible for rendering graphics and handling video-related tasks. A dedicated GPU can offload some of the processing tasks from your CPU, ensuring smoother video encoding and faster rendering. If your GPU is outdated or lacks sufficient power, you might experience visual artifacts, slow rendering, or even software crashes. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is your computer's temporary storage for data that's being actively used by the system. Streamlabs relies on RAM to store information about your scenes, sources, and other settings. Insufficient RAM may cause slow loading times, stuttering, or freezing during your live stream. Solution: to ensure that Streamlabs runs smoothly on your computer, it's essential to verify that your system's specifications meet the minimum requirements. You can typically find these requirements on Streamlabs' official website or within the software's documentation. Check your computer's specifications by accessing the system information on your operating system, e.g., system information on Windows or About This Mac on Mac OS. Compare your system specs with Streamlabs requirements to see if your hardware is adequate for the software. If your hardware is outdated or insufficient, consider upgrading one or more components. CPU. Invest in a more powerful processor to improve overall performance. GPU. Upgrade to a dedicated graphics card, especially if you're currently using integrated graphics. RAM. Increase your system's RAM capacity to ensure enough memory for Streamlabs to run efficiently. By upgrading your hardware as needed, you'll optimize your computer's performance and ensure a smooth and high-quality streaming experience with Streamlabs. Another major reason for lag in Streamlabs is a slow or unstable internet connection. Live streaming requires a good upload speed to maintain a smooth broadcast. Your internet connection plays a crucial role in determining the quality of your live stream, as it directly affects the amount of data you can send to the streaming platform in real time. A slow or unstable connection can result in buffering, dropped frames, and a poor viewing experience for your audience. Solution: to address lag caused by internet connectivity issues, follow these steps. Test your internet connection. Use an online speed test tool, such as speedtest.net or fast.com, to measure your current download and upload speeds. These tools can help you determine if your connection is adequate for live streaming. As a general guideline, aim for an upload speed of at least 5 Mbps for 720p streaming, 10 Mbps for 1080p, and 25 Mbps for 4K. Keep in mind that these are rough estimates, and your specific requirements may vary depending on factors such as the encoding settings and streaming platform. Monitor your network stability. In addition to speed, network stability is essential for a smooth live streaming experience. Keep an eye on your connection during the speed test and while streaming to ensure it remains consistent. Frequent fluctuations in speed or intermittent disconnections can negatively impact your stream quality. Upgrade your internet plan. If your upload speed isn't sufficient or your connection is unstable, consider upgrading your internet plan. Contact your current internet service provider, ISP, to discuss available options or research alternative providers in your area that offer faster and more reliable connections. Use a wired connection. If possible, Connect your computer directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. Wired connections generally provide more stable and faster speeds compared to wireless connections, which can be affected by interference, signal strength, and other factors. Optimize your network. Ensure that other devices on your network aren't consuming significant bandwidth during your live stream. Heavy downloads, video streaming, or online gaming can all impact your available upload speed. You can also try restarting your modem and router to reset your network and potentially improve your connection. By taking these steps to address internet connectivity issues, you can significantly reduce lag in Streamlabs and provide a better live streaming experience for your viewers. Sometimes, the issue causing lag in your Streamlabs streams might not be related to your hardware or internet connection. Instead, it could be due to overloaded Streamlabs servers during peak hours or technical issues on their end. When servers are overwhelmed, they may struggle to process incoming data, causing delays and lag in your live streams. Solution: if you suspect that server issues are causing lag in your Streamlabs streams, consider the following steps. Switch to a different server. Streamlabs allows you to choose from multiple servers located in various regions. If you're experiencing lag, try switching to a different server that may be less congested or closer to your location. To change servers, go to Streamlabs Settings, find the Streaming Service Settings, and select a new server from the available options. Monitor server status. Keep an eye on the server status while streaming to see if any issues are reported. If you notice server-related problems, you may need to pause your stream or reschedule it for a different time when the servers are less congested. Wait for the issue to be resolved. If the lag is caused by a temporary technical issue on Streamlabs' end, it's best to wait for the problem to be fixed before resuming your stream. Continuing to stream during a server issue could result in a poor experience for your viewers. Check Streamlabs' social media and support forums. Stay updated on server-related issues by following Streamlabs' official social media accounts, such as Twitter or Facebook, or visiting their support forums. These platforms can provide real-time updates, announcements, and solutions related to server problems. Consider alternative streaming software. If server issues persist and significantly impact your streaming experience, you might want to explore other streaming software options. Programs like OBS Studio, XSplit, or Wirecast could provide a more stable streaming experience during periods of high server load or technical issues with Streamlabs. By taking these steps when you suspect server issues, you can minimize the impact of lag on your streams and ensure a more consistent and enjoyable experience for your viewers. Other software running on your computer might conflict with Streamlabs, causing lag during your streams. Programs that use a significant amount of system resources or interfere with your network connection can negatively impact Streamlabs' performance. This includes antivirus software, resource-intensive programs like video editing or gaming applications, or other streaming tools. Solution: to prevent software conflicts from causing lag in your Streamlabs streams, consider the following steps. Identify conflicting applications. Make a list of programs that might be causing conflicts or using excessive system resources while you're streaming. Common culprits include antivirus software, VPNs, video editing programs, and other streaming tools. Close unnecessary applications. Before starting your stream, close any applications that aren't essential to your broadcast. This will free up system resources and help reduce potential conflicts with Streamlabs. You can use Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on macOS to check for running applications and their resource usage. Temporarily disable antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can interfere with your stream by scanning network traffic or using system resources in the background. Consider temporarily disabling your antivirus software while streaming. Be sure to enable it again once your stream is finished to keep your computer protected. Note that disabling your antivirus may expose your system to security risks, so proceed with caution and only do this if you're confident that it's necessary. Adjust resource-intensive software settings. If you need to run resource-intensive programs while streaming, try adjusting their settings to reduce their impact on your system. For example, lower the quality or resolution of video editing software previews or limit the frame rate of games to free up resources for Streamlabs. Optimize your computer for performance. Regularly update your operating system, drivers, and software to ensure optimal performance. Also, consider performing routine maintenance tasks, such as disk cleanup and defragmentation, to keep your computer running efficiently. By taking these steps to minimize software conflicts and reduce the strain on your computer's resources, you can significantly improve the performance of Streamlabs and provide a smooth streaming experience for your viewers. The last reason we're going to discuss for lag in Streamlabs is using incorrect settings within the software. Certain settings, such as setting the bitrate too high, can cause lag in your stream, as they may exceed your hardware capabilities or internet connection's upload capacity. Solution: to address this issue, review and optimize your Streamlabs settings by following these steps. Review your Streamlabs settings. Open Streamlabs and navigate to the Settings menu. Carefully examine your output settings, including bitrate, resolution, and frame rate, as well as your encoder settings. Match settings to hardware capabilities. Ensure that your Streamlabs settings are compatible with your computer's hardware specifications. For example, a weaker CPU might struggle with high-resolution encoding, and an older GPU may not support certain encoder settings. Adjust your settings to match your hardware's capabilities to prevent overloading your system. Adjust bitrate according to your internet connection. Your chosen bitrate should be compatible with your internet connection's upload speed. Setting the bitrate too high can result in lag, buffering, and dropped frames. As a general guideline, aim for a bitrate of 2500-4000 kbps for 720p, 4000-6000 kbps for 1080p, and 13,000-34,000 kbps for 4K. Remember that these are rough estimates, and you should adjust the bitrate based on your specific internet connection and streaming platform requirements. Lower resolution and frame rate. If you're still experiencing lag, try lowering the resolution and frame rate of your stream. Reducing the resolution to 720p or lowering the frame rate to 30 fps can help relieve strain on your system and network, resulting in a smoother streaming experience. Test different encoder settings. Streamlabs offers various encoder settings, such as X264, software-based, and NVENC or QuickSync, hardware-based. Experiment with different encoders to determine which one works best for your system. Hardware-based encoders often provide better performance, as they offload encoding tasks from your CPU. Save and test your changes. After adjusting your settings, save them and run a test stream to see if the lag has been resolved. Monitor your stream's performance and continue to fine-tune your settings as needed to achieve optimal results. By reviewing and optimizing your Streamlabs settings to match your hardware capabilities and internet connection, you can significantly reduce lag in your streams and provide a better viewing experience for your audience. As a bonus tip, it's essential to ensure that you're always running the latest version of Streamlabs. Developers frequently release updates that include performance optimizations, bug fixes, and new features, all of which can contribute to a smoother streaming experience and potentially help reduce lag. Staying up to date with the latest version can improve the overall stability and performance of the software. To make the most of this bonus tip, consider the following steps. Check for updates regularly. Periodically check for updates within Streamlabs or visit their official website to see if a new version has been released. This practice will help you stay informed about the latest improvements and ensure you're taking advantage of the most recent optimizations. Enable automatic updates. Some software, including Streamlabs, offers an option to enable automatic updates. By turning on this feature, you can ensure that your software stays up to date without needing to manually check for new versions. To enable automatic updates in Streamlabs, go to the Settings menu and look for the update-related options. Read release notes and changelogs. When a new update is available, make sure to review the release notes or changelogs provided by the developers. These documents outline the changes made in each update, including performance optimizations, bug fixes, and new features. By understanding what has been improved, you can better utilize the software and potentially resolve any lag issues. Monitor your system after updates. After installing a new update, take some time to monitor your system's performance during your next few streams. This will help you determine if the update has resolved any lag issues or if further optimizations are necessary. By keeping your Streamlabs software up to date and monitoring the impact of new updates on your streaming performance, you can benefit from ongoing improvements and ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and your viewers. So there you have it, folks. Those were the top 5 reasons for Streamlabs lag and their respective solutions. Remember, always keep your system updated, optimize your settings, and make sure your hardware and internet connection are up to the task. With these tips, you should be on your way to a smooth streaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any other tips or solutions for Streamlabs lag, feel free to share them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you.